Welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Good news, guys and gals. DJI drones has now been approved by Transport Canada to be able to fly near people. Now, what do I mean by near people? You can now go closer than 30 meters. You can go up to now 5 meters, as long as you have an advanced pilot certificate. So if you're, if you wrote your advanced license for drone pilot, then yes, you can do that now. Not over people, just near people, up to 5 meters. I'll give you the list of DJI drones that's currently being allowed to do that. It's just been a couple of days ago. Today is June the 5th, 2019, and it was only, I noticed it was like 2 days ago that this list was updated on Transport Canada. Previous video I had, it didn't show Mavic Air as being part of the that list, but now it is part of that list. Okay, so for those who own Mavic Air, whew, sign of relief. Now you could fly near people up to 5 meters as long as you have advanced pilot certificate in Canada. Okay, now before I do that, I just want to show you my latest acquired drone. I don't know any of you recognize this drone here. This is the first Phantom 1, so version 1.1 from DJI. This is what started off for DJI. This is, if you can recall, this is the one that you can actually put in these type of XT60 battery, right? It's very similar to the one I used to own, the drone S1000. So you put it in there and you have this special type of battery charger that it has the voltage regulator and all that. So the classic, the classic type of setup for, the olden type of drones. And it doesn't even have a gimbal or a camera, so you would have to buy a special casing and GoPro camera, and you put it in there. But it doesn't have the gimbal, so your image might be a little bit shaky. But again, this is what started off for DJI. All right, so I want to get it, not because I want to fly it, because I want to have the history of the making of DJI drones. So I have one now, and I'll tell you actually why I actually bought it in my next videos. Okay, so I'll talk about it later on, but let's have a look at the Transport Canada website, and I'll show you right now what I mean by approved drones that can fly near people from DJI. Okay, let's do that right now. Okay, so what we want to do is Google the following keywords. Okay, choosing the right drone, Transport Canada. If you do that on Google, you will then go to this link here, choosing the right drone, Transport Canada, and you click on that, and there we go. What you want to do is go down the list. Okay, keep going, keep going. You can see all these drone companies, and then there you see DJI. Now here's disappointing thing for those people who own Inspire 1. So apparently the Inspire 1, okay, allow you to fly in controlled airspace as long as you have advanced. Now remember, when I mention you can fly in a controlled airspace and near people, I'm referring to those people who have advanced pilot certificate. Okay, so even if you have a basic pilot certificate in Canada, you cannot fly it closer than 30 meters, and you cannot fly in controlled airspace. These are for people who has been trained and wrote an exam, and they passed, and they went through the flight review, and they were able to get their advanced pilot license. Here's the list of DJI drones. Inspire 1, okay, you can fly in a controlled airspace, but you cannot fly near people. You can see here. Again, just remember, you need a advanced pilot certificate in order to do these. Okay, so if you have a basic pilot certificate, you cannot fly in the controlled airspace or fly near people. This is only if you have advanced pilot certificate. So Inspire 1, you can fly in the controlled airspace but not near people. But Inspire 2, if you go all the way down, you have the Inspire 2 standard and professional as well. So let me show you right here. There we go. Here you have professional, premium, and cinema. Premium, yes, you can fly near people up to 5 meters. And if you look at the Phantom 4 is the only one in the Phantom series anyway that allow you to fly near people and in control airspace, as long as if you have advanced pilot certificate. So standard, advanced, and professional, as you can see there. Let me show you. Yeah, professional and version 2 as well. So those Phantom series can fly near people. Mavic professional, like Mavic Pro, Mavic Air, Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom can also do that as well, flying near people. And surprisingly, yeah, Spark, you can fly near people as well. So if you own Spark and you got your advanced pilot certificate, you can fly near people and control airspace. Now, there's other ones that I'm not familiar with. DJI Professional Drone Series, the M200 series. I'm not going to discuss about that one because I don't have experience with those. So they're listed as yes, you can fly near people. Okay. I used to own the S1000, but it's not even listed here, or the S900, the S800 series, not on the list. Now, it doesn't mean that you cannot fly it. It just means that it's not approved for flying in the control airspace, and not approved for flying closer than 30 meters. Okay, so you can still register it, but you cannot fly near people or in control airspace. So these are all the DJI drones that allow you to fly near people and control airspace, as long as you have an advanced pilot certificate. Okay, so that's what you need to know about DJI drones. So thank you, DJI, for being proactive about this. You know, I myself own at least 3 or 4 drones in the past, and currently own 3 of DJI drones. Actually, I have another one, this one of course, the Phantom 1, which you can fly up to 30-meter horizontal to people, but not near people. Even with my basic pilot certificate, I can fly up to 30-meter near people, okay, horizontally, in uncontrolled airspace, right? Same thing with my Mavic Air and my Phantom 4 Pro version 2 and Spark. If I get my advanced certificate, I could fly near people up as close as 5 meters. All right. Next time, I'm going to talk about why I actually purchased the Phantom 1. It's not what you think. All right. We'll do that next week. Thanks for watching EducateTube.com.